Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Benjamin once again. In this video we are going to learn about how to create a table of contents in your Word document. So without wasting any time, you have to open your Word document, then you follow the following steps and create a table of contents. But before we can continue, I please remind you to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also comment on them. Together we can. So what you do, you open that document that you want to create a table of contents for. So assume I am making a book. Assume I'm forming a book. For example, this book here you're seeing, this is its cover. Then here are the contents together. If these are the contents up to here, so we are supposed to create a table of these contents. What do? After opening your document, let us insert our table of contents just above the introduction. Yes, let's make it above the introduction, or just below this these 4 words you are seeing here. This is the 4 words you're seeing. Let's make our Word document below the 4 words, just here, and let's give it its own page. Also, hope we are together. How to insert a new page? Just come to insert, click on insert just above here, the top left corner here. You click on insert, then the possible items that you can insert are displayed here up. So first we want to insert, let's insert a blank page. So the blank page has been inserted. This is the page here. So we shall use this page to insert our table of contents. So the fact that computers have come out to simplify our lives, you don't type the table manually, but instead you follow these steps of mine. Within your document, please click back on home, and the items of home will be displayed just above here. So we are going to make use of this item heading 1 and heading 2 to mean that heading 1 is going to be meaning the major headings, then this heading 2 will be meaning the subheading under that heading. So what you do, you highlight that word, that sentence or a word which is a heading, sorry, I say you highlight the word, then click on heading 1. Once you see it turning color to blue, then it has been confirmed. Then continue to the next word. For example, there's another heading here, that understanding communication, learning objectives. So you also click, let it be as a great heading. Then definition of communication is under this heading. So So what we do, we put it as a minor heading or a sub heading, that is under heading type 2. Then continue within your document. Look for any heading. Look for any other heading. So for this one, this is a major heading. We put it as heading 1. Then search for others. For example, this is not a heading. This is a heading rather. You can call it under heading 2. Then these ones are forms of communication. There it's a heading 1. Just turn the color to blue. We move to the next. So verbal is under forms of communication. Make it heading type 2. Then non-verbal is still under heading type 2. Interpersonal communication is also under heading 2 type. Then this one is also under type 2. And this one too is under heading type 2. Media communication, heading type 2. And communication network also. Just continue the way I'm doing it. Just follow. By the end of this video, we should have created our table of contents. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like these videos. It adds a lot to me. That's why I labor to explain all this to you. So just follow. We are almost done. So so they are over, right? Maybe this last one, this one, let's be its own. Let it be a heading on its own, so that we have highlighted all the possible headings within the whole document. What you do, you come back to your page that you inserted, this blank page, the one you want to use for the table of contents. It's here. So what do we do? We said it's page 2, right? Also, page 1 is containing our 4 words. Then the other page we inserted, let's put in the table of contents. And now so here, once you're in this page 2, come back up, move your cursor up and come to references. Click on references, then you will see the first item as the table of contents. Just tap on it, you will see the option being contents, so you can choose the format you want. This is automatic, table 2, this is manual. Here you just type, but since our work is already simplified by computer, just tap on this one and your table of contents will be put in place, just as you can see. So if you want to prove, just check. They are telling you introduction is on page 3. Is this true? Come to page 3. This is your page 3. Yes, as you can see. Check if its content is introduction. So it's introduction, right? We have easily created a table of contents. And remember, this table still can be edited or updated or adjusted. So you can come on update the table, and now you can update the entire table, or you can update a page numbers only. It's up to you. It will depend on if there is a need to update the table. So guys, I call for your subscriptions, likes, and comments as well. This is now our table of contents. You have to save your work simply by pressing Ctrl then S on your keyboard. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Endeavor to please follow my videos because they are so educative, and thanks so much, my friends.